Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change position of back button on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, changing the position of the back button can improve the ergonomics of using your device. Placing it in a more comfortable position for your thumb or finger reduce strain and make it easier to navigate your device with one hand. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Okay, so here you can select display option. After that, scroll down this page until you find navigation bar menu. So tap on it. Well, and on this page, click more options. So you can choose the one that you are more comfortable using. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change position of back button on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.